art friends, today we are going to draw a boba drink.
Yeah, for Valentine's Day. So heart-shaped bobas?
Yes.
Okay. I hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw the cup for our drink. We're going to start by drawing the bottom. I'll draw a horizontal line that's not too wide. That's for the bottom of our cup. Yeah, and then we're going to draw the sides of the cup coming out or up. And also we're going to draw them diagonal so that it gets wider towards the top. Yeah, and then we can turn our paper sideways if it helps, but we're going to draw a horizontal line to connect them. Yeah, and then let's draw the lid. We're going to draw short lines up on each side. And then we're going to connect those lines together. And then let's draw the top of the lid. And usually, I think they're shaped like this. We got a rainbow line, or kind of looks like a half circle. Yeah, that looks awesome. Now let's draw the drink. And let's draw a wavy line right here at the top. And then we can draw the straw. We'll draw it coming down straight from the middle. When you kind of draw a wide straw too, so you get the bobas. You don't want to get them stuck in the straw. And you could go all the way through and then connect it to the drink down here at the bottom, because this is transparent where you can see through it. Yeah, and then we can draw a line at the top. Okay, we're missing something.
The bobas.
Yeah, and let's draw them heart-shaped for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to draw them kind of round too. And then we're going to try to draw a bunch of those to fill up our drink. But we don't want to go too high. Maybe we'll just go halfway, and then we can draw a funny face up here. And this part we'll fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to draw all of your heart-shaped bobas. I really like that you overlapped some of your hearts. It makes it look 3D.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Okay, now let's draw our funny face, and I'm going to draw a really happy smile. And our art friends could change their faces too. You don't have to draw it the same as us. Oh, I'm going to draw mine open. And then I'm going to add teeth in here. And also teeth down here. And then a line for the other side of the mouth, and then color in that shape. It's really happy. And then I'm going to draw a big circle for one eye. It also looks like a boba. And another circle over here for the other eye. And then we can draw our little highlights too. Small little circle in the top left, and then let's color in the big circle. And we did it! We finished drawing our Valentine's boba drink. Except we still need to
color it.
Yes, my favorite part. We're gonna fast forward, so remember to pause the video again and take time to color your drinks. You could change the colors too. You don't have to color it the same as us. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Valentine's boba drinks, and yours is so cute. I love those little eyelashes.
Oh, thanks. I love your hearts.
Oh, thanks. Now, our friends could add even more things. You could also change the colors and even add a background.
Now I'm thirsty.
Yeah, me too.
We hope you had fun drawing a boba drink.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.